Good night, friends. I present to you wonderful city, which is Medellin. This city is unique. It is enclosed between mountains. It has fairly mild and pleasant climate. It has very tourist parks such as the Atanasio Girardot Stadium, the Otero Park, and the planetarium. Everything is very beautiful and unique. Also, this city has a very important transport system that goes to all zones of the city and to tells tourist park. The price for ticket is a single ticket $2,500 and which integrate more or less 3,000 pesos. I hope you like this city very much and can visit in soon. They tell me how they are doing.